Okay, so in this video here, what I wanted to show you is how we actually get our tomatoes ready to pressure can them. And you can also use this for when you freeze them. Now we had a pot of boiling water, and we're putting our tomatoes in to get the skins off of them. So we let them in the water for about 3 minutes.
Take that long.
Do you want me
So
to this bucket
some
out
of
the
these
way?
don't even take that long. You can see right here the skin's coming right off these tomatoes here. Now we don't want to cook these tomatoes. We want to just get where the skins are just starting to come off of them. So let them on for about a minute or until the skin's split. So you want to make sure that you keep your water boiling so that the process continues to properly work for you. So the next step that we do is we plunge them into cold water. Now if you can't get your water cold enough, you can put ice in with it, and this will stop the cooking process on your tomatoes. You can see here the skin is already coming off of these, and then we're going to start peeling them and putting them into bowls. You want to make sure your tomatoes cool down so you don't burn your hands. So this here, right here, is one of the Big Mama hybrid tomatoes there. So after our tomatoes are peeled, then what we do is we cut them up, and sometimes on some of them they get cut in like 6 strips, or like some of the smaller ones, sometimes we've canned them whole already, and then we put them in our jars. And you'll have to follow your book for how you can your tomatoes in your pressure canner if you choose to do that, or you can put them in seal-a-meal bags and seal them down and then put them in your freezer for later use. But this is the finished product of our tomatoes here. We got 7 quarts out of them, and we did have some tomato juice left over, which we did use. And so that's the finished product. So as the tomatoes continue to grow out in the garden, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. I did do a video on the Park Whoppers tomato as a review, and I told you in the video we showed what the inside of the Park Whoppers tomatoes look like and what we liked about it. So I plan on doing some more reviews of different tomatoes that we're growing. And I also have on my channel how I start my tomatoes from seed and how I transplant them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!